When you right click on Windows 11, it doesn't give you the full options. Instead, it gives you an option to click, which is show more options for you to be able to get the full options, just as it was on Windows 10 and older versions of Windows. This could be quite frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that so that whenever you right click, you get your full options. This is more of a permanent fix. As long as you have this software that I'm about to show you installed on your computer, you don't even have to hold on shift then right click to be able to get the full options. So all you have to do is you open a browser on your computer. In my case, I'll be using Chrome. So after opening your browser, you visit this website right here, which is winaero.com. Then it will bring you to this website right here. As you can see, this is the homepage. So you now scroll down to where it says Get WinAero Tweaker. So after clicking on Get WinAero Tweaker, it's going to bring you to this page here, right here. Then you now scroll down a bit. You scroll down a bit where you'll see Download WinAero Tweaker. Then you select Download WinAero Tweaker for you to be able to download WinAeroTweaker.zip file. So after downloading this .zip file, you'll have to extract it. And here is the file after extraction. In order to extract any file, you just right click on it and then click on open or click on extract. So it's going to give you this folder right here. You can double click on this setup to install it yourself, where you get to click next, agree, or you can as well just double click on silent setup so it installs in the background. So after installing this software, what you do next is you open this software, which is WinAero Tweaker. So after opening WinAero Tweaker, you now choose yes. So after opening WinAero Tweaker, as you can see right here, this is its main page where it shows the basic information of your computer. And this is not why we're here. It has a ton built-in features, as you can see here. There are a lot. So what you do next is you just head over to here where it says Windows 11. Then you click on Classic Full Context Menu. So after clicking on Classic Full Context Menus, you now click here to enable it. Then you now select on Restart Explorer, where it restarts your Explorer. So after that, you can close this application. As long as you have this application installed, you no longer have to hold down shift to get all options. As you can see, I just right clicked and I got the full option right here. And likewise on any file, if I'm to right click as well, I will be given the full options. So let's try right clicking on this file right here. Right click. You can see I got the full options without having to click on show more options. If you find this video tutorial helpful, ensure you like this video and share it with others who might find it helpful. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.